Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Guys, we are back on another road construction project update, and right out of the gate, before we even get on the road, we see them working. Wow. So pretty soon we should be able to get right onto this access road from where we're coming instead of riding along this access road to the access road. Like here, see? Here, and there's probably one back further, several places, but those are the places you should be able to get onto this access road. Wow. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video going the other way, like going from here, going the opposite way towards Nsawam, because I don't get that video for you guys often, and I hope you really enjoyed it. If you missed it, just go back, guys. Go back to the previous road construction project video, the one right before this one, and you'll see it. Wow. Look at what they're doing. Amazing. So I really don't know what that thing does. I'm guessing, like, I used to always see it in US, that type of machine. I don't know if it's the same kind, but they will be the ones doing like the blacktop. So I don't know what that one is doing. Not sure what they're using it for. But you can see going up here, they've been doing a lot of work. They're getting close. They're not quite there. They got maybe 20 feet or so ish to get to the top with the filling. That's what it's looking like for me. I'm not that good with judging distance, but I'm seeing where the truck is coming up to on that wall before it gets to the flyover. And I'm just assuming maybe 20 feet-ish before they pack all this. And then, of course, they have to finish the walls and stuff. But I guess they're getting it up far enough so they can stand there and work, right? Wow. Things are really coming along right there out of the gate. It is November 16th, 2025, and we are going towards, like, going to Amasaman. Like you're coming from Nsawam going to Amasaman. Water trucks out, which is necessary, as you can tell. It's quite dusty. Work going on up there. This will be really nice. So I don't know how we will enter there. We actually might end up riding the access road to the Amasaman interchange. I'm just guessing. I have really no idea. But I'm guessing that maybe the Amasaman interchange, then we will join the main highway. Putting the wall together. This guy doesn't know what he's doing. He's busy pointing and talking instead of paying attention to his driving. That wall is going to be nice. Okay, so they've got a lot of iron rods up here, so they need to cast the concrete. Still need to move the power lines. the old red, yellow, and black house for a landmark. See how they've done the piping. Some have pipes that go straight into the gutter. Another line going the opposite way. Still, they'll have to come back and repair that light pole that's fallen over. Looks like somebody hit it. It's a big old dent in the pole. So they blocked that way off. So I guess all of these that are coming this way are going to end up facing traffic as like they were when we were coming. Okay, so
it's traffic.
That's why they're coming that way. Look at the traffic there. Wow. I don't know what happened on that side, but this is all traffic, guys, and it's definitely not moving at all. So they're cleaning the sand up. Very, very nice to see that. Nice, nice, nice. And they're scooping it. Wow, really nice. Really nice. Not sure. Look at how backed up that traffic is. Hopefully whatever happened over there, they'll situate that before we come back through. But at least this road is big enough that it can handle both.
They turn it back.
Wonder how they're knowing to turn back. Even the Mel construction truck. So, I mean, this road is sufficient. Look, they're working there too. This road is sufficient for 2 ways for now. At least the traffic will flow. Coming up on the Amasaman interchange. So this place is very nice up to here. And still nothing going on over here. But they got the crane going over there. So they got something going on. Yep, they're moving a little bit further down. So eventually they'll come to that whole place, making the ramp. So we still obviously have to come up with this road and the pavement a little bit higher to be able to allow the water to flow properly. Okay, so there they go. They're all turning around and coming this way. I wonder how they know. So that will make a little, see, that's gonna make a little problem here with the,
Oh, some are going this way, some are.
yeah, some are going over to there and some are just coming here. So,
That's enough.
now this one wanted to make 3 lanes and not let them come through. Like, why would you do that? Okay, they're the workers. Oh, they're the workers at Mel Construction. So maybe they're trying to stop them from doing that. But really, they can't because, you know, they have to be able to go. You got a VIP parked right there. Doesn't mean you go. Each one let one go.
It's everything to that side.
Okay. So somebody is there directing them. There must be a vehicle broke down or something. They're all working over there. Okay, so they're directing them from that side. So hopefully it'll be all sorted out by the time we come back through later. So there we are at Amasaman. They're working on the overhead walkway. Okay, so it looks like they have a place where the bus stop will be. Like these cars over there. Nope, the churches are still coming over here. It'd be nice if they stayed on that side of the wall. You see the sellers, they're even coming out to this little barrier that they've made here. And this is what we got. This place is quite rough, but when they're working, they have to be able to get us to travel somewhere else before they can do some of this. So you saw they were working on that side over there. So once we're able to travel over one, then they can work on this one. Got the police there. They're trying to keep things moving, I guess. Checking people out. Total filling station Amasaman. And we need the water trucks. So my husband driving, Nana is here. We're on our way to church this morning. And this is the normal day that we are able to come. Sometimes my husband comes this way if he has to do something here, but most of the time, my time to come this way would be on this day. So that's why we get you this video at this time. There's a bus stop. See how it goes in? Yep. But nobody there. They're working over there. You guys see the workers? They're working over there. There they are here. Working. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Getting up all the sand. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep.
Even a Sunday doing nothing. Come clean the sun.
There you go. So they're getting things cleaned up, which is good. Maybe they're getting ready to put the final pavement over here.
Maybe.
Because I guess you couldn't do that with the sand on it. Wouldn't make sense. Well, that's good. That would be nice to get this part finished. I said that a long time ago about the sand. So you see how it is. You know, it has to, the water has to be able to get into those holes, and when they're all blocked, it's not going to work out so good. So maybe they'll run the, they'll have to really work on this side too, I guess. Which they haven't. I'm sure there's a certain plan that they're following of why they're doing that now. So we'll just have to stay tuned and find out. So this is the bus stop here. You see how that's working. All of them, you got the overhead walkway for people to cross, and you know, all the public transportation, picking people up, dropping them off. Now we're coming up on the Pquasi interchange. I always do wonder why they don't have like gutters here, but maybe there's something I don't know about. See, like where would the water run off of the road here? Because there's no holes, no place for them to go under there. So I'm not really sure how that works here. So at least this place is quite a drop.
They close it now.
Oh.
So what are they saying now?
Well, let's see. They've closed this side where they used to go for the Ofankor circle, right? Roundabout, but they've closed it. Looks like they're about to do some work though. Somebody's on the machine.
And now they close where they're gonna join to that road.
Uh-huh.
So they have to go all the way, and then that's black soil.
Mm-hmm. So they're gonna plant something there.
Nice.
Yep, that would be nice. So you see here, they're gonna have to put the pavement up higher too, so the water can flow into the gutters. So at least they're getting somewhere. There's black soil. Very nice. A broke down vehicle here. So we got a little bottleneck, probably people wondering, or whatever it is that they have to maneuver to get over there now.
So from that side, it's coming this way.
Yeah, so we got more traffic. A lot of them normally go over there, so got more traffic on this side. So you can see on the walkway those two little slabs that they can pull up and then have access to the gutter, so they can be able to clean the gutters out. Very nice. And then of course the opening so the water can flow in. So that's how the gutter system works. And they're over here cleaning it up. I guess they're weeding. Or I don't know if they're trying to get access to something or they're just weeding. Looks like they're just waiting. Okay. Here's where they've gotten to with the black soil.
At least they have a big 3-4 lanes.
Yeah. Well, there's 4 now. 2 motor lanes.
This guy just wanted to make a lane.
So he's just gonna sit back there and beat. Right, because when you get up here, it's just gonna make everything go slower. And you made it anyway.
They just still wanted to make 4 lanes.
Mm-hmm. And they need a place for the people to get picked up too. So you're just blocking it. So there's a bunch of the Mel construction people over here. Once we get up there, we'll see. You see guys in the mirror, they want to make a whole nother lane. Then when we get up here, they'll all be trying to...
Just 2 lanes. Don't make 4 lanes. You want to make 4 lanes, 5 lanes. Make just 2 lanes.
They don't understand the concept that it takes longer. They don't understand the concept that it takes longer.
I ain't gonna let them win. And now they have made 3 lanes.
So I don't know why those construction workers are over there. And you see what they're doing. They're making more lanes, and we gotta come back in anyway. And now they're gonna bully their way over. They're gonna bully their way over. They're working with the soil. Getting everything nice and neat. I wonder when they're gonna cast the cement for that wall over there. So they've really hired a lot of people to come and get this situated here. That looks really nice. So these are pieces of the gutter system. That's what it's looking like. Now, it's difficult for the people who have to get over. So we'll see what they're gonna do up here. That's probably what's a little hard, getting through this section. A little bit of traffic, but as long as the road's being worked on, you know, we can deal with this little bit of traffic here and there. You know, it's for a greater good. So you see how the gutter system is. So this place, they have to definitely repave again. There's some more of the work they're doing. The black soil. Yeah, so they were going down this way. So let's see up here how they're gonna get over. They really don't get that concept
No.
of if you make 4 lanes and then everybody's pushing to come back in. Number one, it takes more time for everybody to get through. Number two, you increase, I would say you would double the risk of an accident, because now everybody's pushing and nobody wants to let anybody go, and everybody's pushing to see how close they can get to the car so they can get in front. You know, it doesn't make sense. There's no common sense in that. So they're moving these pillar things, whatever you call them, getting them situated. Maybe they're going to start working on clean that gutter area. So that in itself has caused a little bottleneck there. So now, see, everybody had to get to one. Cleaning up.
It's okay, they open this side.
So they open this side. So that's how it used to be. They used to have to go over. So you see, and they're doing the wall here and everything with the cement. Working on the other side as well. So they're really working to get this side finished up, which is nice. Yeah, they don't understand the concept of, if I make 4 lanes, then I have to come back down to 2. It's going to take me longer to get through it than if I just stuck with the 2 and kept it moving, right? They don't understand that. That concept is not a thing. So make as many lanes as possible and then everybody come back. So anyway, it is what it is. So that's where we let you guys off. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the updates, and the Lord willing, we'll get you one on the way back. We'll see how things go. And until next time, God bless you.